Hi there, welcome to G4 Guitar School, and today we're going to be looking at the E minor pentatonic scale. Okay, so first of all, just to explain what that is, the pentatonic scale just means that we're just going to be using 5 notes instead of the normal 7 that you'll probably looked at in the scales you've done so far. So penta just means 5, tonic is tones or notes, so it's just a 5-note scale. So it sounds complicated, it's actually easier in many respects than some of the other scales that you're going to have done. Okay, so we'll dive in and get started with this. So you're going to be playing your first note. It's an E minor scale, so your first note will be E. And we're going to use the open 6th string. Okay, so that is your first note, which is E. And remember, this is a 5-note scale, so we're actually going to skip to your next note, which will be G. Okay, we're not going to be playing F or F sharp. We're going to jump straight to G, which is your 3rd fret on your 6th string. Okay, so your first 2 notes are E, open on your 6th string, and G. Okay, E and G. Okay, so just play those notes a couple of times just to make sure you're happy with those. So E, G, E, G. Okay, your next note is going to be A. A, remember, is your open 5th string. Okay, so that's your A note. So we've now got E, G, A. Okay, so E is your open 6th string. G is your 3rd fret on your 6th string. A is your open 5th string. Okay, so just run those 3 notes, make sure you're happy with those. So E, G, A, E, G, A, open, 3rd fret, open, open, 3rd fret, open. Okay, when you're happy with that, we'll move on to the next note, which is B. B is going to be your 2nd fret on your 5th string. Okay, so you're going to be using your 2nd finger for this. Obviously, we're in what's called first position, which means we're going to be using the 1st finger for any notes on the 1st fret, 2nd finger for any on the 2nd, 3rd on the 3rd, and 4th on the 4th. Okay, so you're going to be using your 3rd finger for this G up here, and then your 2nd finger for the B on this string. Okay, so let's just run the first 4 notes now. So we've got E, open 6th string, G, 3rd fret on your 6th string, A, open 5th string, B, 2nd fret on your 5th string. Okay, so E, G, A, B, E, G, A, B, open, 3rd, open, 2nd, open, 3rd, open, 2nd. Okay, you can go through those until you're happy with them. Go through them a little slower than that if you need to, that's fine. Once you're happy with those, we'll go to your next note, which is going to be D. So we're skipping the C note, we're going to jump straight to D, which is your open 4th string. Okay, so the notes we have so far are open on your 6th, which is your E, 3rd fret on your 6th, which is your G, open on your 5th, which is your A, and 2nd fret on your 5th, which is your B, and open on your 4th, which is your D. Okay, so we've got E, G, A, B, D. Okay, once again, E, G, A, B, D. Okay, so just try and play through those a couple of times with me. So ready, and E, G, A, B, D, and again E, G, A, B, D. One more time, E, G, A, B, D. Okay, and our next note is going to be E, which is your 2nd fret on your 4th string. Okay, so second finger, second fret on your 4th string, and that note is E. That's our first octave. We've gone from the open 6th string down here, which was the low E, and we've now played up to this E on the 4th string. Okay, so that's already half the scale. It's a 2-octave scale, that's our first octave. Okay, so just to run that again, we've got E, G, A, B, D, and back to E again. Okay, so remember it's a 5-note scale, so there's only 5 notes in this scale. Okay, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 is our E again. So we've got the 2 E's, the low one and the high one. Okay. Alright, so that's our first octave. When you're happy with that, we'll move on to the next one. So we're going to start from the 2nd fret here on our 4th string, which is E, and we're going to go to G again. G this time is our open 3rd string. Okay, so we've got E on our 4th string and G on our open 3rd string. So 2nd fret on your 4th, open on your 3rd. E, G, E, G. Okay, if you can see what I'm doing there, 2nd finger on my 2nd fret on my 4th string is the E, and then open on this 3rd string is the G. Okay, that's your first 2 notes. Your next one is going to be A. This is your 2nd fret on your 3rd string, right here. Okay, so we've got E, 2nd fret on your 4th string, open on your 3rd, and 2nd fret on your 3rd. So E, G, A. Okay, so just run through those notes again. E, G, A, E, G, A. Okay, one more time. E, G, A. Okay, and our next one is going to be B. Remember the open 2nd string is B, so we're just going to play that string open. So we've got E, 2nd fret on your 4th string, G, open on your 3rd, A, 2nd fret on your 3rd, B, open 2nd string. So 2nd fret, open, 2nd fret, open, E, G, A, B, E, G, A, B. Okay, so just try and play through that a couple of times with me. So E, G, A, B, and again E, G, A, B. One more time. E, G, A, B. And next note is going to be D. This is your 3rd fret on your 2nd string. Okay, that is your D note. So we now have E, 2nd fret on your 4th string, G, open 3rd string, A, 2nd fret on your 3rd string, B, open 2nd string, D, 3rd fret on your 2nd string, E, G, A, B, D. Okay, just play through that with me. So E, G, A, B, D, 2nd fret, open, 2nd fret, open, 3rd fret, E, G, A, B, D. Okay, our last note is going to be the open 1st string, which is E. Okay, that's the last note because we've now completed our 2nd octave. Okay, so the complete 2nd octave is going from your 2nd fret on your 4th string, E, G, A, B, D, and E onto your open first string. Okay, so we're now going to do the whole scale all the way through. So we're going to do 2 octaves now. So we're starting with the open 6th string. That's our E. 3rd fret on this string is our G. Open on the 5th string, A. 2nd fret on the 5th string, B. Open on the 4th string is D. 2nd fret, E, that's our 1st octave. Open on the 3rd string, G. 2nd fret is A. Open on the 2nd string, B. 3rd fret, D. And open on our 6th string brings us back to E again. Okay, so once more, play through this with me. So E, G, A, B, D, E, G, A, B, D, E. Okay, once more. So open, 3rd, open, 2nd, open, 2nd, open, 2nd, open, 3rd, open. Okay, once more. So E, G, A, B, D, E, G, A, B, D, E. Okay, that is the E minor pentatonic scale in the open position. It means we're using open strings, and it is over 2 octaves. Okay, that's the ascending scale. So the descending scale will be the reverse. We'll start with this 1st string up here. So we come down from our open 1st, down to the 3rd on the 2nd string, open on the 2nd, 2nd fret on the 3rd string, open on the 3rd, 2nd fret on the 4th, open on the 4th, 2nd fret on the 5th, open on the 5th, 3rd fret on the 6th, and open on the 6th. It's the exact reverse of what we just did with the ascending scale. Okay, that's the E minor pentatonic scale. Thanks for watching.